Want to make money on Amazon, but without any tech skills or huge investments? Thanks to AI, starting your Amazon journey has never been easier. Today, I'll show you 4 powerful AI tools that can help you research, design, and sell, all while saving you time and money. Let's jump right in. First up is ChatGPT. You can use ChatGPT to write professional product descriptions, reply to customer messages, and even craft positive reviews for your listings. Simply tell it what your product is, and it will generate perfect text that helps boost your Amazon ranking. Next is Canva AI. Instead of hiring expensive designers, use Canva's magic design to create stunning product images and infographics. Visuals matter a lot on Amazon, and Canva makes it easy for beginners to design pro-quality graphics. Third, Jungle Scout AI. This tool helps you find profitable products that are trending, without wasting hours on manual research. You can discover what's selling fast, estimate profits, and avoid high-competition items easily. Finally, Perplexity AI. Use it for super-fast market research. You can ask it about trending Amazon categories, find customer pain points, and even brainstorm new product ideas. These 4 AI tools can completely change the way you start your Amazon business, even if you're just getting started. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell, because TechScope is bringing you more smart tech hacks every week.